Bostik is proud to introduce Hydroment Vivid, our latest innovation in grout technology. Hydroment Vivid is a rapid-curing, high-performance cement-based grout that is exceptionally easy to apply and clean up. Designed to exceed the requirements of ANSI 118.7 and ISO 13007, Hydroment Vivid solves many issues associated with traditional cement grouts. This grout offers superior color consistency, which helps ensure the fully cured grout joint accurately represents the color that was selected by the customer. This unique formulation exhibits excellent stain-resistant properties, so your installation stays beautiful even longer. Fiber reinforcement also contributes to the grout's durability, with excellent crack resistance and non-sag performance. In addition to these key features, Hydroment Vivid offers Bostik's blockade antimicrobial protection and contains 0 VOCs. Suitable applications for Hydroment Vivid include interior and exterior projects, residential and commercial installations, in dry to intermittent wet or submerged applications. Its unique ability to grout joint sizes from 1/16 of an inch to 1/2 of an inch also make it an excellent choice for use with both wall and floor tiles. It's rapid curing and requires no slake time, which reduces your downtime and allows for light foot traffic in as little as 4 hours. In addition to its high-performance characteristics, Hydroment Vivid is exceptionally easy to apply and clean up. It glides along the surface of the tile, is easily packed into the joints, and any remaining residue wipes off easily with the aid of a dry towel. Even after 24 hours, residue left on the surface of the tile cleans off with a dry towel and just a little elbow grease. These high-performance qualities make Bostik's Hydroment Vivid the cement grout of choice for your next installation.